Ever notice how paper money can lose value almost overnight, but gold and silver seem to hold steady? Understanding why metals maintain worth can give investors confidence in uncertain times. Currencies can fluctuate due to inflation, government policies, or market instability, which can erode purchasing power over time. Gold and silver, however, are finite, tangible, and universally recognized, qualities that allow them to retain value across generations. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that these metals are trusted worldwide because they can be printed or created at will like paper money. This helps you understand why including precious metals in your portfolio provides protection against currency devaluation. I'll link the guide below so you can see these principles in action. And this is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Digital Dollar Report and Silver Scheme Report, designed to give investors a clear, practical understanding of diversification and wealth preservation. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free to discover why gold and silver maintain their value when currencies declined. Just follow the link under this video to get started.